The kitchen. A lot of our customers, it's the favorite room. As you notice, I lock the caster in place. With the push of a button, I can raise myself up to safely be able to look in my pots and pans and work around a hot stove without the fear of being burnt. I can see what's cooking, I can give it a stir, and prepare the meal that the family always loved. As you go through the kitchen, being able to get extremely low as well as extremely high has a lot of advantages. I can easily look into my oven, check how my things are baking, come over, lock the brake, open up my dishwasher, and remove my dishes or add them to it. One of the nice parts is when I have the things high up in my cupboards, it's no longer a challenge for me. I can go ahead and reach, take the items, put them back where they were, reach my books, my utensils, and anything else I so choose in a very safe manner. As I bring myself down, we'll go over to the refrigerator. Maybe you want to get your favorite beverage or whatever you want to cook up that night for dinner. So you can come back down, lower it, come over to your kitchen and the refrigerator, lock it back into place, and again, raise it up for easy access to get whatever shelf you need and whatever beverage you prefer.